Welcome to a world of color and magic. The sun is beaming down on a yard filled with floating sparkles that dance in the air. Our friend William is sitting right here on his favorite neon blanket, ready for a big day. Look at Chewy the dog, zooming around like a furry little rocket. And there is Bubbles the bird, busy inspecting those bright plastic flowers. William claps his hands and looks at us. Let's count together. Chewy is moving so fast he is just a blur of brown fur against the green grass. Bubbles gives her wings a happy flap as William points his finger. One Chewy, he shouts with a big grin. Chewy hears his name and circles back in a flash. William laughs. Two Chewies. Wait, no, that is just one very fast dog. Suddenly, a giant glowing number 1 and a bright number 2 pop into the air with a magical chime, sparkling just like the yard. Bubbles hops over to a cozy little nest tucked away near the flowers. What has she found? It is a collection of beautiful, colorful toy eggs. William leans in close, his eyes wide with wonder as he counts them one by one. 3 eggs, 4 eggs, he says softly. Bubbles lets out a very proud cluck, happy with her discovery. Look, numbers 3 and 4 are bouncing into view, spinning around and around in the sky like little dancers. Now William turns back to his pile of treasures on the neon blanket. He carefully lines up 5 tiny boots in red, blue, and yellow. Right next to them, he places 6 small cowboy hats that shimmer with rainbow colors. He points at every single one to make sure we see them. 5 boots, 6 hats, he exclaims. Chewy gives a sharp, happy yip as the numbers 5 and 6 whoosh across the screen like shooting stars. This is so much fun. The breeze picks up, and 7 colorful flags start flapping joyfully. William counts them as they wave, and then another one appears to make 8. Bubbles clucks along to the rhythm of the wind. Numbers 7 and 8 float up high, just like birthday balloons. Now it is time to get moving. Chewy spins in a perfect circle and Bubbles flaps her wings as fast as she can. William wiggles his shoulders and shouts, 9 silly moves, 10 silly moves. Confetti numbers 9 and 10 burst everywhere. The 3 best friends gather right in the center of the yard. It is time for the grand finale. William stands tall and proud as the screen fills with bright, glowing numbers from 1 all the way to 10. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Every number shines in a different color of the rainbow. We did it. We counted all the way to the top with William, Chewy, and Bubbles. William pulls his friends into a big group hug. We did it, he grins. Remember, counting is always fun when you do it with friends. Let's count again next time. Goodbye for now.